What you want, Mama?
I don't know.
You don't know? Give you some something, huh? She said she wants something. Gary, give me a walking baseline. D minor. Just walk it. Oh.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Didn't I use something else? Yeah. It's been said that everything must live according to its own true nature. Yeah. I'm Sandra Mayfield, also known as Makeda, and this is my own true nature. Something has shifted, changed.
Well,
the truth is overcome.
hallelujah.
Obsession is no longer the rapacious creditor, though it stalks the periphery of my mind. But I'm not there. I'm free. Free to choose, free to create, free to love, free to be loved, free to be. Out of my mind in every moment, living in the red of my heart, its beat in tune with all of creation. I set my intention to heal life itself. I breathe and the mountain moves.